hit that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it to check out our latest videos before anyone else. Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the speed test between Redmi 5 and Honor 9 Lite. Redmi 5 sports the latest Snapdragon 450 processor with Adreno 506 GPU. Honor 9 Lite sports a Kirin 659 processor with Mali T830 MP2 GPU. Here are the Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now I'll start the solo speed test where I open the first 14 applications on both phones individually and you can see which phone opens them faster. After we have finished with the regular apps, I'm gonna do the same test with the last 6 games and you can see which phone opens all these games faster. So guys, Redmi 5 was 5 seconds faster than Honor 9 Lite for regular applications. That was a little surprising. Let's see which phone opens the games faster. For games, Honor 9 Lite was 11 seconds faster than Redmi 5. That seems to be a big number. Now let's see how they perform side by side. In this regular speed test, I'll open the first 16 applications on both phones at the same time and you can see which phone opens them faster and how fast it actually is. By the way, both the phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and all the applications have been updated to the latest version. In the speed test, there isn't a huge difference between both the phones. Redmi 5 was more responsive and Honor 9 Lite was faster for bigger applications like Twitter and games. So it's pretty much a tie in the speed test. Now let's see how they perform in the memory management round. In this memory management round, I'll open the same set of apps on both the phones in the reverse order to see if they are still in memory. If they are in memory, they should open in less than a second at the same place where I left them earlier. If you see a blank screen for a second or two, that means that application has been killed. By the way, I'm using the 3GB RAM variants of Redmi 5 and the Honor 9 Lite. In this memory management round, Honor 9 Lite is the winner. It kept most of the apps in memory, while Redmi 5 killed many of them. So guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What's your take on the speed test? Do let me know by commenting below this video, and if you are planning to buy either of these phones, use the link in the description. It really helps the channel. If you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with the hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter, and we will try to make it as soon as possible. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel to see more cool videos on tech. I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech signing off. Have a nice day.